Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to use WhatsApp status layout in your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to use WhatsApp latest feature status layout, then I will show you simple method how to use this. To just open your WhatsApp, tap the updates, then tap on the add status. Here tap on the layout, select any 6 images, then tap on this right mark in bottom. Here in bottom you can see you can select 4 images layout. Here you can see after that 3 images layout. After that you can see again 3 images layout. You can see this is the 2 image layout. If you select this option, the 5 image layout will be selected. After selecting this layout, just tap on the done. After tapping done, your WhatsApp layout status will be set. That's it guys. So in this way you can use WhatsApp status layout in your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.